here is the toy show. I'm gonna check it out. Maybe I can find something. We'll see what they got. I got some things for trade, and let's add to my collection. Trying to get that Batman Command Center. I like that. So I just made a big purchase. They had this marked. It's brand new, complete for $330. And the Power Ranger game, I paid $300. Made the first purchase today.
So you can wind it backwards and force it to move.
Some very cool action figures here. Some vintage Star Wars. Very cool items. What a really cool toy fair. I spent $520 with the biggest purchase coming on the roller coaster at $300. I think that can sell anywhere between $5 and $6 as it's complete. And I am getting $100 back as I bought this airplane for a friend.